I mean, Asia is where the action is.
Asia is a huge market, very dynamic and very diverse.
I saw many things that is quite new.
There's a lot of new ingredients.
A lot of new textures.
Every year we get some new potential customers.
Make new contacts.
It's a platform to launch a new product
and show our innovations.
It's important to develop, to R&D, the new products.
I have found a lot of new trends here.
And get a lot of information from my business.
people from Hong Kong, China,
South Korea, Japan.
Southeast Asia, some from the Middle East.
India, from Bangladesh.
and as well from Australia.
I've almost lost my voice from so many great conversations. It's exciting.
And for me it's special, amazing.
Don't miss a thing.